Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily turn on developer mode on Discord app. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, in order to turn on developer mode you'll have to open up the Discord app on your phone, and after opening it you'll have to tap on U on the bottom right and then tap on the gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to scroll down all the way, and in app settings section you'll be able to find an option of advanced on the bottom, and you'll have to tap on advanced. And on the top you'll be able to find an option of developer mode, and you'll all you'll have to do is to toggle on the this next to the developer mode and it will be turned on. So that's how you can easily turn on developer mode on Discord app. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video let me know in the comment section. Thank you.